Not to say that there is no maturity. It is to say all the maturity is seen on day one. It is seen from the time he came. Speaking of the time that he came, what are we celebrating? Shankara Jayanti. Shankara Jayanti is celebrated in Vaishakha Masam, Shukla Paksham, Panchami. If you take this idea, Vaishakha Shuddha Panchami, it is encoded in the name. This is a very interesting exercise. We'll do something that I'm least fond of. We'll do mathematics now for 1 minute. And we will do it with the idea to ascertain that when Mahanubhavas walk on the earth, there are signs even in their names to suggest who they really are. Let's take the word Shankara, predominantly made out of 3 aksharas. Sha, Ka, Ra. Let's count about these aksharas. In the akshara sequence, the akshara Sha comes where? Let's count from that line. That line begins with Ya, Ra, La, Va. Sha is 5. You remember that number. Next akshara is Ka. Ka is which akshara in that line? 1. Ka, Kha, Ga, Ga. Right? So what is the first number? Second number? What is the last akshara? Ra. Ya, Ra. Correct only, no? So what is that akshara? So you have 5, 1, 2. Now we have a process called mantrodharana. Mantrodharana means that we extract a mantram out of this. There are certain techniques that we follow in mantrodharana. One of them is employed over here, which is we swap the order of the first digit and the last digit. So what did we have? We had 512. Now that becomes 215. Now let's look at this number 215. 2 is the second masam in the year. Chaitra masam, Vaishakha masam. Next number is 1. 1 is referring to the paksha, Shukla paksha. Every month has 2 paksha, Shukla paksha, Krishna paksha. So 2 is referring to the masam, Vaishakha masam. 1 is referring to the paksha, Shukla paksha. And what is left? 5. 5 is referring to the tithi, Panchami. Vaishakha Shuddha Panchami. It's hidden in his name. So when he came, that is the power of this day. This day is so incredibly powerful because Adi Shankara, that Shankara came from Kailasa, chose the Muhurtam and said, here, my birthday is hidden in my name, I'll come on this day. With that power he came. This is a sadhana kalam. That is why we use Shankara Jayanti as a day to sit with just one of his works. And this time our Bhagyam is Shankara Jayanti spread across today and tomorrow. So